this is Swayze and I'm gonna get right into the video. I'm not even gonna hold you because at the end of the day, this is exactly why we can't have nice things. So apparently, the self-proclaimed king of the Bronx, Suno, and the most dangerous man on earth, K-Flock, got into a little kerfuffle at Rolling Loud. Now, according to the stories that got back to me, Suno was 4 deep and he approached K-Flock. Some words were exchanged between the two groups and the next thing you know, niggas is getting it rocking. But why hear it from me? Let's let Suno explain his side of the story.
You damn right I came up to you first, nigga.
Like,
so,
what's up?
You damn right.
Lit.
You damn right. You damn right.
It's lit.
Yo, listen. He said I dapped him up. What's my mother? I pulled up on him. Don't ever say I'm gonna pull up on niggas first, nigga. Bugging the fuck out.
We pulled up and pushed out.
Pushed out, nigga. Stop playing with it.
Did we light it on y'all now?
Yo, Swayze, post that.
Did we light it on y'all now?
Bro, keep it up.
Yo, did we light it on y'all now?
4 deep though. 4 deep. 4 deep.
Did we fuck y'all niggas up or what?
4 deep though.
We lit it on these niggas. These
4
niggas babies, bro.
4 deep.
Yo, y'all got massive.
Now after that, both K-Flock and Suno got on social medias to show people their face and do a face check to show the world that they left the fight unscathed. Now, first things first, I'm not gonna show that brutal footage in this video. I'm not. Christmas is coming up and I ain't even gonna play with YouTube like that. I need all my coins. But if you didn't see the video, just go to the Instagram. Wink, wink. But this is sad, if you ask me, and I am highly disappointed in you guys. Come on, man. What are we doing? Do you know that I was offered a few tickets to Rolling Loud, but they told me they wasn't going to let me in with my bed, so I had to respectfully decline that offer? Did you know? And thank God that I stayed my happy ass home, because it looks like niggas was out there on a rampage. You can take niggas out of Bronx-Ganistan, but you can't take the Bronx-Ganistan out of niggas. This was our chance to show the world that you could take a bunch of New York niggas, put them in one place, and things would not go left. This is what we were supposed to show, but we failed. We failed. Lord, forgive us. I am highly disappointed in you guys, man. What's going on? I thought it was a fake BEFF. So you're telling me that K-Flock's ex-barber was fibbing this whole time? I don't know what to believe anymore. But what I do know is this. We just hit 30K on the gram, y'all. We lit. But pull up in the comment section and let me know how you feel about this situation. And if you like the video, don't forget to share, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and make sure you hit that notification button. But I'm off this.
Yo, Swayze, repost this, bro. Yo, Swayze, bro. You heard? They trying to get a youngster, you heard? Yo, Swayze, repost this. No funny shit, bro. Gangsta, you on my shit. Yo, when the boys come, I'm ending this, you heard?
This is the end of this.
Yo, when the boys come, I'm ending this shit. As soon as they come, I'm out.